The Autocessking H8 AGM car battery offers a generous capacity and strong cold cranking performance that makes winter starts feel effortless and confident. Its absorbed glass mat construction and dense internal materials give it notably longer cycling life than typical flooded automotive batteries, especially in start-stop vehicles. The case size, terminal layout, and overall dimensions match the common H8 or Group 49 footprint, so it drops into many European and larger vehicles without modification. In use, it stays stable and reliable across a wide temperature range, handling both harsh cold and high underhood heat, better than many conventional options. The sealed, spill-resistant design and lack of free acid make it a clean, low-hassle choice for drivers who do not want to worry about topping up electrolyte. Reinforced internals and strong vibration resistance help this battery hold up well in rough road conditions, extending its useful life in daily driving.